accessible location to appreciate the scenery and the breathtaking skyline, especially at night when the city lights come to life. Alongside the view, the area now features restaurants, cafes, and even souvenir shops to cater to tourists. All at Taps is now even better, with 5 stories of Cebu's latest dining and lifestyle options. Welcome to the Circle of Taps, formerly known as Taps Lookout, the most iconic landmark in Cebu City located in Busay Hills. Offers a spectacular panoramic view of Cebu City, Mactan Island, and the neighboring areas. The concrete observatory deck, built approximately 600 meters above sea level, was designed to provide locals and tourists alike with an accessible location to appreciate the scenery and the breathtaking skyline, especially at night when the city lights come to life. Taps Lookout has shifted towards becoming a more integrated leisure destination. Alongside the view, the area now features restaurants, cafes, and even souvenir shops to cater to tourists. The best time to visit Taps is during the dry season. Typically runs from December to May. During these months, the skies are clearer and the chances of rainfall are minimal. So kapag punta po kayo dito sa dry season, siguradong kitang-kita yung beautiful skyline ng Cebu. At talaga nga namang mapapawaw tayo sa breathtaking view ng Cebu. Wow! The most ideal time of the day to enjoy Taps is either early morning or late afternoon, and the weather in this time is more cooler. Sunrise and sunset provides the most breathtaking views. Kaya wag nang magpatumpik-tumpik pa, bisita na dito sa Taps and experience the most beautiful skyline in Cebu. And the city lights begins to twinkle. The atmosphere around this time is very serene, perfect para sa mga mahilig sa photography and romantic visitors alike. And another consideration for timing our visit is to avoid large crowds. Taps is popular spot on weekends and public holidays. To have a more relaxed experience, consider visiting on weekdays and during the peak season, which include months of December, January, and weeks leading up to Easter. The circle can be particularly busy. So yung mga mahilig sa mga quiet moments or travelers seeking quiet time should plan their visit outside of these peak periods. And the temperature in Taps from January to February is 24 degrees to 29 degrees Celsius. March, June, July, August, September, and October is 25 to 31 degrees Celsius. And April to May is 26 to 32 degrees Celsius. Current tourism trends. The circle at Taps is now even better with 5 stories of Cebu's latest dining and lifestyle options. Yes, you heard it right. This award-winning architectural marvel now hosts Cebu's latest food and lifestyle offering with an ambience like no other. At ngayon, ipapakita ko po sa inyo ang wide varieties of establishment dito sa lower ground floors. Queen's Pizza. Sari-sari sa Taps. Parang convenience store lang ba? At kung merong Pinoy foods, meron din naman Thai cuisine. At sa mga mahilig sa mga grill, meron din namang Nimoy's Grill dito. Street foods. Tips Hut. They serve any kind of juices or shakes. At dito naman para sa mga mahilig sa ramen. Check po ito para sa weather dito sa Taps. Malamig kasi, so perfect yung ramen dito. Ramen miss, no? And of course, ang ating paboritong Boss Cafe. Dito naman sa mga mahilig sa ice cream or shakes. Farm Steakhouse. Quick snack. At dito tayo kumain ng siomai. Masarap po ang siomai dito. And double the size, malalaki. And meron ding fine dining restaurant ang Top of Cebu. Lolo Pinoy Grill, they also serve lechon. And then Save Street. para sa Valentine's Day or birthdays or any other occasion. Meron din pong flower shop. Sa labas po ito ng Circle of Taps. They also serve food and drinks. And here is our last establishment. Meron pong souvenir dito sa gilid ng entrance ng Circle of Taps. On the higher floors is the world-class events space that hosts big celebrations, art exhibits, international concerts, and so much more. And the Sky 360 all-new viewing deck offers an even higher and wider look at the stunning landscape. The hexagonal tiles still pave your way to the breathtaking viewpoint, while the famous stone arches have been reimagined to accommodate new experiences. And this spiral stairway will lead us to the top. How to get here? Meron pong shuttle ang TAPS na nagbebiyahe from IT Park Terminal to TAPS. Ang shuttle ng TAPS ay magsisimula sa 10 a.m. to 2 a.m. And the departure time is every 30 minutes po yung picture ng shuttle sa TAPS. At pagkarating po natin ay magbabayad po tayo ng 200 pesos including the entrance fee and the round trip ride. Estimated travel time is 30 minutes from IT Park Terminal to the Circle of Taps. At kung may sasakyan po kayo, just navigate through Google Map. Malakas po ang signal dito kaya hindi po kayo mawawala. Dito po pala sa labas ng Circle of Taps, meron ding amusement center. No entrance fee, pwede lang pumasok anytime. The token is worth 10 pesos only. Kung gusto niyo pong magpa-picture, merong photo booth dito. At meron ding napakagandang view ng mountains dito. Makikita din dito yung building ng La Parisienne in the Sky or La Veille in the Sky. Tara na sa ating final tour. Pagkapasok po natin, hihingin po ng staff ang ating ticket. Punitin lang nila yung ticket, tapos ibibigay ulit sa'yo yung other half. And lalagyan ka ng stamp. Wow, nice ang ilang stamp. I-keep mo yung other half kasi hihingin niya ng stamp pag sakay mo pabalik. Mas maiging pumunta dito sa hapon kasi makikita natin yung sunset. And the weather is much colder at this time. At ito na nga yung The Circle of Taps, formerly known as Taps Lookout. 8 months ago, dito po tayo at ngayon ay tapos na po yung building. Sa lower grounds po yung mga restaurants and the higher ground hosts events. Dito po tayo sa second floor at ito na po ang ating view at this moment. Mas maigi pong pumunta dito at dry season kasi kitang-kita yung skyline. Yan, kita-kita yung mga buildings. Kitang-kita dito yung Lapu-Lapu City, Mandawi City, Cebu City, and the Sisilex. Time check is 5:43 p.m. At ito naman ang view sa center ng circle. I mean sa center ng building. Sa tapat ng Top of Cebu Restaurant. Ayan, kapag sinuzoom in natin, kitang-kita din dito yung mga lights ng mga building. At dito naman tayo nakatayo sa right side ng building. Ito po ngayon ang ating view. Kanina po sa left side po tayo nakatayo. At ang lamig-lamig na po ng hangin kahit naka-jacket po tayo. Nanonood pa din po yung lamig ng hangin sa aking jacket. At talaga nga namang mapapawaw ka sa beautiful skyline ng Cebu. Ang ganda ng city lights. Worth it talagang pumunta dito sa hapon. Habang kumakain, ito yung tanawin na makikita natin. Baba na tayo. Hi!
Sayang, karon ba ko kakita?
Try lang ang balik.
Ha, busog na ko. Ano sana? Free na picture? Dong, free na picture? May bayad.
Pwede mo.
Ha?
Pwede ra kayo.
At ito yung labas ng The Circle of Taps sa gabi. Meron pong hostel dito sa gilid. This way. Yung may mga lights. Man po ang parking area ng Circle of Taps. Hanggang dito na muna ang ating video for today. Sana nakapulot po kayo ng ideya kung kailan the best time to experience the Circle of Taps. Please don't forget to subscribe for more videos and don't forget to click the bell button para ma-update kayo sa mga bago kong upload. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, and share this video to your family and friends. Hanggang sa muli, much love from Ate Mira Vlogs.